Now I want one.
So we use the fork, you said?
So we use the fork? Wait, that was
That's what he said.
Me? Yes, we got it. Oh, why were you laughing?
She's behind me.
I know. It's just, it looks really funny when you can just see your neck.
That's the point.
Only the neck beard.
Ah.
I completely do not know what to do.
Winston.
What?
Do you want to have... Is that...
Yes. Oh. Oh.
A little bit more.
Oh.
Lean man.
I think we
He just comes up, leans on.
Perfect. No, that's very weird.
That looks fantastically weird. Excellent.
Damn it! Now I'm.
No.
I looked
Why
at-
did you look at the camera?
I don't know. I was just looking around. I'm like, oh, okay. I thought we were going from like. No, it's right there.
It's right there. Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's the end of that page, and then we just continue from there.
Just walk to the fridge. You crazy man. I don't know what that was.
Penny, will you stop laughing over there?
Time is of the essence. Oh, it's not good.
Penny, will you get us some soda from the fridge?
Just say that middle run.
Huh?
Sorry. My mom.
Time is of the essence. Now I was saying the time is of the essence, Penny.
Why does it go back to Bane? That was not a Bane. It's okay.
Alright.
I can show you a Bane.
No. I will cut you in on my merchandising rights for a Regis. Wait.
Time is of the time.
We need you to grab us sodas from the fridge.
Why are you saying it like that?
I don't know. I thought you wanted us to like slow it down.
Dang it! I was cutting out
Deals
profits. My merchandising rights for Regis, and you get profits.
Are you okay, guys? What's going on? Are you okay?
Say okay one more time.
Thank God you're here, hey? Like,
Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay?